Okay, I know it's pitch dark, but my cat is being super psycho right now, and I just want to show you. Oh my, wait, hold on. Wait, what? There he is. What are you doing? Lucas, oh, what are you doing? He just heard a sound in here. You're not very psycho anymore, are you? Are you? I want to catch you on YouTube because you're so psycho, and I want to become famous because of you. Oh, you are not running through my legs. What are you? Oh my God, you're scaring me, as usual. Ooh. Hi, that's me, it's my shadow, okay. Lucas, why? Hold on, sorry, I got an itch. Lucas, what are you doing? Oh, I see what you're doing. Oh, he wants belly ribbons. Oh, never mind. Rip. Rip. Lee? Is that you? Bro, which? Nah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? I know this is not that fun, but a minute ago he was like, hold on, I'm sorry. He was like up there, and it's like so high from the ground. It's like, I don't know. I can't even describe. Lucas, why are you so psycho tonight? Might I ask? Shoddy, what is up with you? Okay, hold on. Sorry, guys. Wait. Bro, you got grass all over yourself. Oh my God. Look, he got leaves all over himself. Oh, I wonder how many sticky burrs you have there, young mister. What? Look. Wait. Look. Whoa. He always does that. Trying to find him. Oh, it's going to be hard to stay with him. Okay. Lucas. Get away from the popcorn bowl. Hold on. Sorry. Lucas, I'm sorry. Sorry. He's not being that fun, but it's my shoddy. My iPad case is being really rude. His psychoness tonight be like, woo! Okay, break, because I need, oh, no kickings. No kickings. And I am not a rude owner, I am a nice owner. What are you doing? What?